head. And this is a noun which refers to our body parts, right? This is our head. But this word can also be used as a verb, and it's very common in spoken English to use head to talk about to go somewhere. For example, I might ask you, where are you headed? Where are you headed? So that means, where are you going? Where are you going? You might reply me and say, oh, I'm heading to the train station. Okay, I'm heading to the train station. So heading means that I'm going to go. I'm going to the train station. And at the train station or at the bus station, you might hear something like, oh, the train or the bus is heading northbound or is heading southbound. And that means that the train or bus is going in that direction, going north or going south. A common phrase is head out, head out. And that means to leave, to go somewhere. So for example, you might call me and say, where are you? I can say, oh, I'm about to head out. I'm about to head out. That means that I'm about to leave. Maybe I'm at home or I'm at the office. I'm about to head out. That means I'm about to leave. We could also add the preposition over, head over. Okay, head over means that you are moving from one place towards another location. You're moving away from where you are to another place, to another location. So for example, let's say you invite me to your house, to your place, and you are expecting me today at 1 o'clock. Okay, so you call me and say, hey, where are you? I might answer you and say, I'm heading over now. Okay, I'm heading over now. That means that I'm going to your place. I'm going to your house now.